Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to Astrology with Abhilasha. Today I am picking a very interesting topic which is Darakaraka in your chart. So Darakaraka is the planet which holds the secret of how would your spouse be. So if you have to understand what would be the characteristics, the nature, the behavior of your spouse, husband or wife, you should see the planet which is at the lowest degree in your chart, because that is the planet which makes you Darakaraka. So in these videos I would like to take not only the single aspect of telling you the attributes of planet, but I would also like it to take it further and tell you if these planets are in conjunction with some other planet, how and what difference will it make. One snapshot prediction method, if so and so planet is your Darakaraka. So my approach is working on a topic in totality. That is which you're gonna see in my coming videos. So let's take the first planet, and as usual it'll be Sun. So what is coming to your mind whenever you hear this word Sun or Surya? The word which strikes me is king, emperor, the aristocratic personality. Because what is Sun? Sun is a giant ball of light which is giving light to the entire world. Sun gives us the vision in our eyes, because without it we cannot see anything. Sun is a luminary. So let's discuss, if Sun becomes the planet which is your Darakaraka, how would it affect your spouse? How would it add to the attributes of your spouse? So it's very interesting, because marriage is one prime topic in everybody's life, and when we talk about marriage we think what kind of a person we're gonna marry. So this can tell you exactly how your spouse would be. So Sun denotes somebody who's a pioneer, who's an achiever, a first of anything, a champion. Sun is brilliant, dazzling. Every planet revolves around Sun. So what does it mean? If Sun is your Darakarak, your spouse would like to be at the center stage of every activity. Not only he would like to be the center stage of every activity, it would be natural to him or her. Naturally, that would be the scenario. Wherever he or she goes, he will become the most important person in the crowd, however small or big that be. That is an innate quality of Sun, because Sun is all about brilliance. What happens when we gaze towards Sun? We squint our eyes, or we are just blazed by the glory of Sun. That is exactly what is gonna be in your spouse. Everybody would be blazed by the glory of your spouse. He would be very authoritative, proud, a go-getter, a decision maker. He would always like to win, but this winning would be to satisfy his pangs of pride. So this is a subtle difference in the winning of Sun and the winning of Mars, which I'll discuss when I'll discuss Mars as a Darakarak. So Sun is a pioneer, is an inventor. Being the first is his attribute. So if Sun is your Darakarak, your spouse will be pure and noble, very much attached to his lineage, his culture, and highly disciplined. Punctual, rather to say. A very punctual person. So just think about it. If Sun is your Dara Karak and you happen to get a spouse, mind always being punctual around him. That would make him happy or her happy. Sun also denotes vitality in a chart. So what can we say? Your spouse would be of great vitality, very healthy, of a sturdy body. He would be very forceful in all his ventures. He would just start, win and conquer it in a zip of a second. He would be an initiator, can be a person who's very, very influential. And he or she would also like to dominate you as a partner, influence you as a partner. If Sun is your Dara Karak, please be prepared to be influenced by the choices of your spouse. If the Sun is afflicted, we can conclude that the married life would be a hard road to tread. It won't be a bed of roses for you all. If Sun is your Dara Karak and it's afflicted, say if Sun is in conjunction with a malefic planet, aspected by a malefic planet, or falls in 6, 8, 12, then it's not very conducive for marriage. Right? Domination, conquest of everything will be the sole agenda of the person you are married to, if Sun is your Dara Karak. He or she will be very heroic, brilliant, but sometimes very selfish as well. High on libido. And one quick prediction which you can make if you see a native has Sun as Dara Karak is that the person gonna marry someone in an upper clan, upper lineage. He would marry somebody, maybe a Brahmin or an upper clan. If not in caste, he or she will marry a person who's upper in the financial status. So that is a snapshot prediction which you can make. That okay, you're not married in your own clan because Sun is your Dara Karak, or you have a ample amount of difference between your social status. If Sun is your Dara Karak, after marriage you will have a shift in your career as well. So if it's a benefic for you, the shift in career would be positive. If negative, then just check the placement of Sun. If it is negative, the influence will be slightly negative. That is what you can say. Sun is a very self-righteous entity. It always talks about the rights of others as well. So that can be a good quality of your spouse. If Sun is in conjunction with any other planet, let's say Sun is a conjunction with a planet which is your Dara Karaka. You're getting my point? Now I am taking any planet as your Dara Karaka and Sun in conjunction with that planet. So still you can put up and mix and match these attributes of Sun as Dara Karak along with this conjunction to tell to the native whose horoscope you are watching or checking, right? Sometime Sun also make a person either completely a social bee or a totally isolated person. That depends upon the placement of Sun in your chart and afflictions to it. So that is all which I want to discuss about Sun as your Dara Karak. I hope you like the video. and there are many consecutive videos to come where I'll be discussing many other attributes, and we'll also discuss remedies if your Darakaraka is afflicted, and what season you will get married into, and every such kind of small interesting tidbits I'll be sharing. So please keep watching. Jai Shri Ram.